हेलो डियर व्यूअर्स, वेलकम टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल डी के लेटेस्ट वीडियोस। मेरा नाम है मोहम्मद अमजद दस्ती और आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे टॉप 100 बेसिक कंप्यूटर एमसीक्यूज जो कि हर टेस्ट में बार बार पूछे जाते हैं। तो गाइस, वीडियो को स्टार्ट करने से पहले अगर आप हमारे चैनल पर नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें, बेल आइकन के निशान को दबा दें ताकि हमारी तमाम नई आने वाली लेटेस्ट वीडियोस आप तक बआसानी पहुंचती रहें। वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो वीडियो को लाइक कर दें और वीडियो को शेयर ज़रूर कर दें। तो चलिए गाइस, वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। हमारा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है जी, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज़ एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ यूटिलिटी? ऑप्शन ए एंटीवायरस, ऑप्शन बी वर्ड, ऑप्शन सी ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम, ऑप्शन डी रिकवरी। ऑप्शन ए एंटीवायरस is right option. Next question is, which is built directly on the hardware? Option A computer environment, option B application software, option C operating system, option D database system. Option C operating system is right option. Next question is, dash system is built directly on the hardware. Option A environment, option B system, option C operating, option D none. ऑप्शन सी ऑपरेटिंग इज राइट ऑप्शन। ये गाइस वही क्वेश्चन है जो हम पहले रिपीट कर चुके हैं, लेकिन यहाँ पर उन्होंने ऑप्शन चेंज किए हुए हैं। तो गाइस ये है वही। ओके, तो आगे चलते हैं। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, द पर्पस ऑफ रन कमांड इन स्टार्ट मेन्यू इज टू। ऑप्शन ए launch इंटरनेट ब्राउज़र, ऑप्शन बी ओपन इंटरनेट एक्सप्लोरर, ऑप्शन सी ओपन विंडो एक्सप्लोरर, ऑप्शन डी स्टार्ट प्रोग्राम। ऑप्शन डी स्टार्ट प्रोग्राम्स इज राइट ऑप्शन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, you can select my computer icon and press alt plus enter to. Option A delete it from desktop permanently, option B open in explorer mode, option C open system property dialog box, option D pin it in on start menu, option C open system property dialog is right option. Next question is, under multi-programming turnaround time for short jobs is usually dash and that for long job is slightly dash. Option A length-ended, short-ended, option B short-ended, length-ended, option C short-ended, short-ended, option D length-ended, option B short-ended, length-ended is right option. Next question is, the most common systems security method is option A passwords, option B encryption, option C firewall, option D all above, option A passwords is right option. Next question is, two basic types of operating systems are option A sequential and direct, option B batch and time sharing, option C sequential and real time, option D batch and interactive. Option D batch and interactive is right option. Next question is, daisy chain is a device for option A connecting a number of controllers to a device, option B connecting a number of devices to a controller, option C interconnecting a number of devices to a number of controllers, option D all of the above, option B connecting a number of devices to a controller is right option. Next question is, in analyzing the compilation of PL above I program, the term machine independence optimization is associated with option A recognize of basic syntax constructs through reduction, option B recognize of basic element and creation of uniform symbol, option C creation of more optional matrix, Option D, use of macroprocessor to produce more optimal assembly code. Option C, creation of more optional matrix is right option. Next question is, the dash contains commands associated with the My Computer Windows. Option A, Standard menu. Option B, Start menu. Option C, System menu. Option D, none of the above. Option C, System menu is right option. Next question is, dash is the layer of a computer system between the hardware and the user program. Option A, operating environment. Option B, operating system. Option C, system environment. Option D, none of these. Option B, operating system is right option. Next question is, when you start up the computer, the boot up storage at which the BIOS variants manufacturer and data are displayed on the monitor is called. Option A, bootstrap. Option B, power on self test, POST. Option C, system configuration. Option D, kernel loading. Option B, power on self test, POST is right option. Next question is, the operating system is the most common type of dash software. Option A, communication. Option B, application. Option C, system. Option D, word processing software. Option C, system is right option. Next question is, if there are multiple recycle bin for a hard disk. Option A, you can set different size for each recycle bin. Option B, you can choose which recycle bin to use to store your deleted file. Option C, you can make any one of them default recycle bin. Option D, none of above. Option A is right option. Next question is, identify file statement. Option A, you can find deleted file in recycle bin. Option B, you can restore any file in recycle bin if you ever need. Option C, you can increase free space of disk by sending files in recycle bin. Option D, you can right click and choose empty recycle bin to clean it at once. Option C is right option. Next question is, if the displayed system time and date is wrong, you can reset it using option A, right. Option B, calendar. Option C, right file. Option D, control panel. Option D, control panel is right option. Next question is, you should save your computer from. Option A, viruses. Option B, time bombs. Option C, worms. Option D, all of the above. Option D, all of the above is right option. Next question is, www means World Wide Web is being standard by. Option A, World Wide Corporation. Option B, W3C. Option C, World Wide Consortium. Option D, World Wide Web Standard. Option B is right option. Next question is, the process of transferring data indeed for a peripheral device into a disk or intermediate store so that it can be transferred to peripheral at a more convenient time or in bulk is. Option A, multi-programming. Option B, spooling. Option C, caching. Option D, virtual programming. Option B is right option. Next question is, block caches or buffer caches are used. Option A, to improve disk performance. Option B, to handle interrupts. Option C, to increase the capacity of the main memory. Option D, to expand up main memory. read operation. Option A to improve disk performance is right option. Next question is, which of the following statements is false? Option A, a small page size causes large page tables. Option B, internal fragmentation is increased with small page. Option C, a large page size causes instruction and data that will not be reference brought into primary storage. Option D, I oblique O transfers are more efficient with large page. Option B, internal fragmentation is increased with small page is right option. Next question is, the action of parsing the source program into the proper syntactic classes is known as. Option A, syntax analysis. Option B, lexical analysis. Option C, interpretation analysis. Option D, general syntax analysis. Option B is right option. Next question is, which of the following is not true about the description of a decision table? Option A, decision table is easy to modify. Option B, a decision table is directly understood by the computer. Option C, a decision table is easy to understood. Option D, all of the above. Option B is right option. Next question is, you can switch from one program to another on the desktop by clicking within the desired programs window or by clicking on its dash button. Option A, icon. Option B, taskbar button. Option C, folder. Option D, none of above. Option B, taskbar button is right option. Next question is, you can switch from one program to another by clicking within the desired programs icon from the dash. Option A, application icon on desktop. Option B, application icon from taskbar. Option C, folder. Option D, none of above. Option B, application icon from taskbar is right option. Next question is, virtual memory typically located on. Option A, RAM. Option B, CPU. Option C, flash card. Option D, hard drive. Option D, hard drive is right option. Next question is, what is contained in the page table? Option A, base address of each firm and corresponding page number. Option B, memory address and corresponding page number. Option C, file number and corresponding page number. Option D, none of above. Option B is right option. Next question is, tree structure displays the. Option A, file only. Option B, directory only. Option C, file and directory name. Option D, none of above. Option B, directory only is right option. Next question is, which of the key is used to close the active window? Option A, control plus F4. Option B, control plus F5. Option C, control plus F6. Option D, none of above. Option D, none of above is right option. Next question is, the shortcut key to open a task manager is. Option A, alternate plus F1. Option B, alt plus control plus delete. Option C, alt plus tab. Option D, F1. Option B, alt plus control plus delete is right option. Next question is, the Windows feature is the ability of computer to automatically configure a new hardware component. Is that option A, auto detect. Option B, plug and play. Option C, add remove hardware. Option D, none of above. Option B, plug and play is right option. Next question is, Which of the following is not part of the control panel? Option A, date and time. Option B, my documents. Option C, add or remove program. Option D, display. Option B, my documents is right option. Next question is, the dash provides information about hardware installation, configuration, and hardware status. Option A, device manager. Option B, control panel. Option C, add new hardware. Option D, program manager. Option A, device manager is right option. Next question is,
relocate program from is one which। गाइस इसके ऑप्शंस तो बहुत ज़्यादा हैं, तो आप खुद से देख लीजिएगा। इसका राइट ऑप्शन बी है, नहीं तो हमारी वीडियो बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ जाएगी और मैं नहीं चाहता कि हमारी वीडियो बहुत लंबी हो जाए। ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, if you want to execute more than one program at a time, the system software you are using must be capable of option A word processing, option B virtual memory, option C multitasking, option D multitasking is right option. Next question is, in analyzing the completion of PL above I program, the description, resolving symbolic address label and generating machine language is associated with option A assembly and a output, option B code generation, option C storage assignment, option D syntax analysis. Option A assembly and output is right option. Next question is, what is the name of the system which deal with the running of actual computer and not with the programming problems? Option A operating system, option B system programs, option D objects programs, option D source programs. Option B is right option. Next question is, the term operating system means option A set of programs which controls computer working. Option B, the way a computer operator works. Option C, conversion of high level language into machine code. Option D, the way a floppy disk drive operates. Option A is right option. Next question is, which of the following might be used to convert high level language instruction into machine language? Option A system software, option B application software, option C an operating environments, option D an interpreter. Option D is right option. Next question is, indicate which is a preemptive scheduling algorithm. Option A round robin, option B shortest job next, option C priority based, option D all of above. Option A is right option. Next question is, which of the following is necessary to work on a computer? Option A compiler, option B operating system, option C assembly, option D interpreter of the above. Option B operating system is right option. Next question is, SS time is the highest in the case of dash. A flop, option A a floppy disk, option B cache, option C sweeping device, option D magnetic disk. Option D magnetic disk is right option. Next question is, a dash is a named location on a disk where files are stored. Option A folder, option B pod, option C version, option D none of the above. Option A folder is right option. Next question is, which type of command requires additional files to perform specified operations? Option A internal commands, option B external commands, option C valuable commands, option D primary commands. Option B external command is right option. Next question is, Which of the following is system software? Option A operating system, option B compiler, option C utilities, option D all of the above. Option D all of the above is right option. Next question is a user interface that is easy to use is considered to be option A user happy, option B user simple, option C user friendly, option D none of the above. Option C user friendly is you or right option. Next question is a dash is a flash memory storage device that plugs into a USB port. Option A USB snap drive, option B USB flash drive, option C USB memory maker drive, option D none of above. Option B USB flash drive is right option. Next question is generally quick launch toolbar is displayed on option A the left side of taskbar, option B the right side of taskbar, option C on the middle of taskbar, option D a bar out of taskbar, option A the left side of taskbar is right option. Next question is which is not a valid file system? Option A FAT16, option B FAT32, option C NATFS, option D FXZ, option D FXZ is right option. Next question is which file system DOS topically used? Option A FAT16, option B FAT32, option C NTFS, option D LMFS. Option A is right option. Next question is which file system Windows 95 typically use? Option A FAT16, option B FAT32, option C NTFS, option D LMFS, option B FAT32 is right option. Next question is which of the following is not a mode in starting Windows? Option A command promote, option B safe mode, option C normal mode, option D turbo mode, option B turbo mode is right option. Next question is poor response times are caused by option A processor busy, option B high IO rate, option C high paging rates, option D any of above is right option. Next question is link encryption. Option A is more secure than end-to-end encryption. Option B is less secure than end-to-end encryption. Option C cannot be used in a public network. Option D is used only to debug. Option B is less secure. The end-to-end net encryption is right option. Next question is a form of code that use more than one process and processor possibly of different type and that may on occasion have more than one process or processor active at the same time is option A multi-programming, option B multi-threading, option C broadcasting, option D time sharing, option B multi-threading is the right option. Next question is the table created by lexical analysis to describe all literal use in the secure program is option A terminal table, option B literal table, option C identifier table, option D reduction, option B literal table is right option. Next question is the term polling in a computer means a process by which a computer system. इसका राइट ऑप्शन है ऑप्शन डी। ये खुद से देख लीजिएगा वरना वीडियो बहुत लंबी हो जाएगी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज the main function of the dispatcher is dash. Option A sweeping a process to the disk. Option B assigning ready process to the CPU. Option C. Suspending some of the process when the CPU load is high. Option D. Bearing process from the disk to the main memory. Option B is assigning ready process to the CPU is right option. Next question is the errors that can be pointed out by the compiler are option A syntax error, option B semantic errors, option C logical errors, option D internal errors. Option A syntax errors is right option. Next question is when a computer is first turned on or restarted, a special type of absolute loader is execute called a option A compile and go loader, option B boot loader, option C bootstrap loader, option D relating loader, option B bootstrap loader is right option. Next question is which of the following checks cannot be carried out on the input data to a system? Option A consistency check, option B syntax checks, option C range checks, option D all of the above. Option B syntax checks is right option. Next question is a program that converts a high level language program to a set of instruction that can run on a computer is called a option A compiler, option B debugger, option C editor, option D all of the above. Option A compiler is right option. Next question is dash is an intermediate storage for delete files. Option A my computer, option B my documents, option C recycle bin, option D none of above. Option C recycle bin is right option. Next question is we can start the application from option A log off, option B network place, option C recycle bin, option D run. Option D run is right option. Next question is which of the following is not process states? Option A new, option B running, option C ready, option D finished. Option D finished is right option. Next question is in DOS the maximum length of file name is option A 5, option B 8, option C 11, option D 10. Option B 8 is the right option. Next question is the question mark indicates in file searching. Option A single character, option B a group of character, option C questions, option D none of above. Option A is right option. Next question is once text has been cut to the clipboard, you can dash that text into another document. Option A paste, option B copy, option C transfer, option D none of the above. Option A paste is right option. Next question is what is the function of radio button? Option A select multiple option, option B to select single option, option C to select all option, option D all of above. Option B is right option. Next question is the banker's algorithm is used. Option A to rectify deadlock, option B to detect deadlock, option C to prevent deadlock, option D to solve deadlock. Option D is right option. Next question is the primary purpose of an operating system is ये बहुत लंबी हो जाएगी वीडियो ऐसे तो आप देख लें इसका ऑप्शन ए इज राइट ऑप्शन है नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज you can use print manage window. Option A to check status of file in the print queue. Option B to cancel the print job. Option C to interrupt printing. Option D all of above. Option D all of above is the right option. Next question is, the principles of structured programming forbid the use of option A will do, option B go to, option C if then illness, option D do will, option B is right option. Next question is, which of the following capabilities is required for a system program to execute more than one program at a time? Option A word processing, option B compiling, option C virtual memory, option D multitasking. Option D multitasking is right option. Next question is, for Windows 10, Microsoft released Dash in place of MS Paint. Option A Paint 10, option B new MS Paint, option C Paint D, option D Universal Paint, option C Paint 3D is right option. Next question is, which of the key is used to close the active window? Option A Control F4, option B alternate plus F4, option C alternate plus F6, option D control plus F5, option B alternate plus F4 is the right option. Next question is, a bar that inform you the available option in your computer, open applications, background running applications, and can be used to switch between applications quickly is option A menu bar, option B toolbar, option C status bar, option D taskbar. Option D taskbar is right option. Next question is, which components appear in the initial Windows startup display? Option A dialog box, option B taskbar, option C start menu, option D all of the above. Option B taskbar is right option. Next question is, taskbar is used for option A navigation program, option B switching between program, option C start a program, option D all of above, option D all of above is right option. Next question is, to install the new font in Windows XP. Option A start setting control panel font, option B start setting control panel font install now font, option C start control panel font install new font, option D start setting font, option B start setting control panel font install new font is right option. Next question is, when a peripheral device needed immediate attention from the operating system, it generates a option A interrupt, option B support, option C stack, option D page file. Option A interrupt is right option. Next question is, recently deleted file are sorted in option A recycle bin, option B desktop, option C taskbar, option D my computer. Option A recycle bin is right option. Next question is, which components appear in the initial Windows startup display? Option A dialog boxes, option B start menu, option C taskbar, option D all of above. Option C is right option. Next question is, a small part of taskbar that has icons of background running application is option A start button, option B quick launch, option C taskbar, option D system tray, option D is right option. Next question is, an operating system version designed for use with a media center PC is Microsoft Windows XP. Option A Home Edition, option B Media Center Edition, option C Tablet PC Edition, option D none of above, option B Media Center Edition is right option. Next question is, an operating system version designed for use with tablet PC is Microsoft Windows XP. Option A Home Edition, option B Media Center Edition, option C Tablet PC Edition, option D none of the above, option C Tablet PC Edition is right option. Next question is, which of the following is are internal commands. Option A edit, option B label, option C says, option D all of above. Option D all of above is right option. Next question is, which is not an external command? Option A edit, option B X copy, option C says, option D none of the above. Option D none of the above is right option. Next question is, which of the following is not essential to shut down your computer? Option A save all open files, option B close all running applications, option C switch off monitor, option D cut off the power supply. Option C is right option. Next question is, what is Dr. Weston? Option A IT expert, option B diagnosis tool, option C surgeon, option D none. Option B diagnosis tool is right option. Next question is, you can move a window to a different position on your screen by dragging it by its. Option A move handle, option B tile, option C status bar, option D title bar. Option A move handle is right option. Next question is, the function of dirw is. Option A show all details of file, option B show and only file name and directory name, option C show only directory, option D all of the above. Option B is right option. Next question is, page scaling. Option A is a sign of an efficient system. Option B is taking page frame from other working sites. Option C should be the turning call. Option D is taking layer disk space for page in page out. Option B is right option. Next question is, what do you mean by dialing box? Option A interactive message box, option B group of option, option C set of controls, option D all of above. Option D is right option. Next question is, dial up connection allows you to. Option A connect ISP, option B internet, option C server, option D all of above. Option A is right option. Next question is, the properly exit window. Option A click the stop button on the desktop, option B click the exit button on the desktop, option C select shut down from start menu, option D none of above. Option C select shut down from start menu is right option. Next question, advantage of using assembly language rather than machine language is are. Option A, it is mnemonic and easy to read. Option B addresses any symbolic, not absolute. Option C introduction of data to program is easier. Option D all of above. ऑप्शन डी इज़ द राइट ऑप्शन। तो चलें गाइज, ये आज की हमारी वीडियो का लास्ट क्वेश्चन था। अल्लाह हाफिज़ नासिर, दुआओं में याद रखना। अल्लाह हाफिज़।